Apple prepares AI-powered Siri Overhaul with new web search tool. Apple is reportedly developing an AI-driven web search tool called World Knowledge Answers, set to launch in spring 2026 as part of a major Siri overhaul. Bloomberg notes the feature could expand to Safari and Spotlight, positioning Siri as a hub where users can look up information from across the internet, in a similar fashion to ChatGPT and AI Overviews in Google Search. The effort is powered by large language models, with Apple also experimenting with Google's Gemini AI to power parts of the revamped Siri, while also evaluating Anthropic's Claude and its own in-house models for various functions.